I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select a trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Search and select WP Webhooks. Give here a webhook URL, so go to the WP Webhooks dashboard. Then navigate to the automation. Create flow. Give here meaning flow's name. Edit it. Choose a trigger. Webhooks. Continue. Copy the trigger URL and paste it on the integration site. Body. Send all data. Choose payload application/JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Here is an advanced feature in conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Then go to your WP Webhooks site. Continue and save it. Choose data type. Get log data. Choose a log. Here is the executed data. Finish trigger. Choose an action. I am choosing WordPress. Choose an action. Create user. Continue. Now map the respective fields. Continue and save fields. Choose a data type. Fire actions. Action fired successfully. Finish action. Scroll up and set the status as active. And save it. Let's submit a form. Submit it. It appears that the user has been created successfully in WordPress. Thanks for watching.